welcome back to the Notion Press bookstall at New Delhi World Book Fair 2025. Today we have with us Shavi Lamba, author of Scamistan. So, Scamistan, what inspired you to write a book like this?
Basically, I work in fraud and risk prevention. So I have been in the industry for about 10 years now. Surprisingly, a lot of people keep getting scammed, including my own friends. So while helping them out, go to CCU, file the complaints, I kind of developed this thing about, creating this awareness. So the whole aim about for writing this book is only to go ahead and create awareness.
Right.
And since everyone is getting scammed, no matter if it's a college student, no matter if it's an elderly person, or even professionals like us. So for the crypto scam, a lot of us also got scammed.
Right.
And seeing how it's expanded everywhere. So I believe the best way to beat a scam is to, be aware of it or stay ahead of it. So that's the whole point of the book.
So, what is that one thing that a reader is going to take away from reading this book?
How to spot a scam.
How to spot a scam? Okay. Could you give us a big example?
So, for example, this book has even the scripts that real fraudsters have used.
Right.
So this book is actually fact-checked heavily.
Right.
And I have some quotes from real-life fraudsters.
Okay.
So I have taken inspiration and tips from them as to how they go about a scam.
Right.
Written the scripts here so that people can go ahead and be aware of what's going on.
Right. Do you think people could also read this book and then start scamming?
Oh, definitely.
Right. What advice would you give our audience on staying away from scams?
So no matter what age you are, and especially for youngsters, be aware of things on Tinder and Hinge and Bumble. And getting a date is very important, but at the end of the day, having a bank balance is also very important. So
yes, and Nigerian prince is not messaging him. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.